Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabila Novianti Rizky. Today I want to present my analysis about Disney Coco movie as an example of intercultural communication, focusing on how cultural values, communication style, and identity shape conflict and understanding. Why Coco? Because Coco show Mexican tradition to international audience through storytelling rather than direct explanation. Viewers actively interpret cultural values, rituals, and beliefs, which create an intercultural communication process. In Coco, Miguel's family use high context communication style, meaning it shares through history, emotion, and unspoken rules rather than direct explanation. Messages are often expressed through action and tradition, reflecting values common in collectivist cultures. This is a clear example of high-context communication. When Abuelita destroys Miguel's guitar, she gives no verbal explanation, assuming the meaning is understood through action and shared family history, even though Miguel lacks that context. Miscommunication occurs because Miguel expects a clear explanation, reflecting a low context style, while his family assumes shared understanding. This difference makes Miguel feel control, while the family believes that they are protecting values. The conflict comes from communication style, not intention. The family's identity is collective, shaped by ancestors, memory, and shared trauma, while Miguel values personal ambition and self-expression. This creates an identity conflict showing that identity is formed through cultural and relationship, not just individual choice. The film shows that the identity is negotiated through learning and experience. Miguel's journey to the land of the dead represents intercultural learning within his own culture. By understanding his family story, Miguel becomes more confident in his identity. Cultural understanding sharing his sense of self rather than limiting it. Coco includes familiar stereotypes like strict elder, but it does not simplify Mexican culture. Instead, traditions are contextualized and the culture is shown as emotionally complex and diverse. This raises culture flattening and help international audience avoid oversimplified interpretation. Cultural symbols like altars, marigolds, and photos are not just decoration. They show memory, respect, and connection between generations. These symbols communicate cultural values and belief without using words. Power dynamic in Coco appear mainly inside the family. Elders have authority and younger members are expected to obey. This reflects higher power distance as described by Hofstede. Power distance influence who is allowed to speak and how disagreement is expressed. As a child, Miguel has limited power. He cannot change family roles, so he keeps secret instead of talking. When the family hidden history is revealed, authority starts to change. Elders begin to listen, and communication become more equal. This shows that dialect can change power in relationships. The power shift begins to change when the family learns the true history. Authority based only on tradition is questioned. Elders start listening instead of commanding. This shows that power in communication is not fixed. It can change through dialogues and shared understanding. In Coco, death is shown as relational rather than final. The death remains part of family life through memory, ritual, and storytelling. While this may feel unfamiliar to non-Mexican audience, the film used love and family to explain the cultural meaning of death and prevent misinterpretation. For non-Mexican audience, Coco may feel unfamiliar, especially in how it shows death. In many cultures, death is seen as a final and tragic. This difference can cause cultural confusion. This is an intercultural issue at the audience level, not a mistake in film. The film bridges cultural distance through emotion. Love, family, and memory are universal human experience. These emotions help audience understand unfamiliar belief. Emotional storytelling builds intercultural empathy, when cultural values are different. According to a study, Coco shows a collectivist culture where family loyalty is more important than personal goals. The main conflict comes from a clash between collectivism and individualism, not from bad intention. The misunderstanding happens because their values are different. Miguel believes music expresses identity and freedom. His family believes music threatens family unity. This value clash causes misunderstanding. The conflict exists because values are assumed, not clearly explained. There is no bad intention on either side. The conflict is resolved when communication improves. Family history is openly shared. Culture context become clear. When meaning is no longer hidden, misunderstanding decrease. This support intercultural theory that clear context improve communication. Coco shows that silence and strict authority cause communication problems. Understanding grows through dialogue, storytelling, and empathy. Good intercultural communication need listening, shared context, and respect for different views. In conclusion, Coco shows that culture is a bridge, not a barrier. Through context, emotion, and dialogue, the film demonstrates how empathy and shared meaning create intercultural understanding, making it a strong example in popular media. Thank you.